Hey everyone, my name is Vipin, and I've been working on this project named Quick Reply this year as GSoC contributor. So I'll give you brief about the project and what we have built. So we, me, Hugo, and Gabriel, we were the team. We built this project. Hugo helped me with all the logic code issues I faced, and Gabriel maintained a really healthy environment while I was building this project. And I really enjoyed making this throughout the use of. Uh, so what this project is exactly and why we need this. As you know, Rocket.Chat is being used by a lot of customer care support executive, or it's used for messaging a lot of people, managing a lot of communities, and most of the time they might be sending same type of message to everyone. They type it out. Sometimes they they are just typing the same thing again and again. So this was the problem. This was the problem even last year when Murtaza suggested a feature named template message, but unfortunately it wasn't selected that last year. But we are engineers. We don't give up. I made this year, and now it also had AI capabilities to boost your communication and streamline productivity. So you don't have to worry about is this message looks good, is it repetitive, and basically help customer support or any other person using Rocket Chat to streamline writing their messages uh, with that. So how it works is pretty simple. You are the user. You use my app. It communicates with some AI APIs. You can choose your own AI if you want to. Like we have different AI supports. I'll show you that too. And we use Rocket App Engine for the main integration, basically, and on the high level, what all features it provides. So making a quick reply message, someone can easily copy paste messages, right? But what we provide is a quick search for all the reply, a really simple slash command that can help you find, create, or delete your quick messages. We have dynamic placeholders, like you don't have to manually place some values when you're sending a message. We have AI generated responses. Like right now, you might be using AI to generate some responses, but not uh, not in a really efficient way. You copy some messages, paste some messages. Basically, when you're trying to be more professional, but you are just lazy to type out yourself, you use AI. Or if you have used LinkedIn or other communication platform, they now utilize AI at really good level. They give you AI suggested response. You can just click on few of messages that AI suggested you, and it will send you automatically based on the previous message someone sent you. We have 5 different language supports, so we want this app to be global. Everyone should use it. It is good. It is not something specific to a customer support or an engineer or a CEO. We have 3 different AI plugin options you can use, and enough of the talking. I don't want to bore you guys with just talking. Major part of thing will be a demo. So we can start. Let's go with a simple example. Let's assume I have one of my friends who also wants to do contributions to Rocket Chat, and he might be looking for some guidance to me or ask me some questions. And there might be thousands of that, thousands, at least hundreds of students who are new to Rocket Chat and need some guidance, or they just joined Rocket Chat as an intern, and I am someone already working there, and I welcome everyone with same enthusiasm and message. So let's assume Meet is the new intern, and he joined Rocket Chat, and he's just reaching me out and letting me know that he's looking forward to work with me. So uh, I can have created my pre-written messages. It could be anything. I can create any message. I can name it anything. For this specific example, I already have a few messages created, so we don't waste our time. So for example, here is the meet joining Rocket Chat, and I have a nice message for new joinees. So when I click on send, it pre-fills the information about the guy who messaged me, it can put its name, it can also put its email, and it generates a nice message that I have written already or I generated by AI, and I can send it. It saved me the overhead of writing a message. Hey, I am excited to work and all. We all know we are engineers. We write more code. We don't write messages. So this was one demo. Let's show you some few more things. There might be few guys who ask you for guidance related to Rocket.Chat specifically, or any other thing that someone asks repetitively. So we someone can also have created a quick message for that, or for example, for this use case as well, I have one quick message already set up. If anyone asks me how to set up Rocket Chat, I can just use this and bada boom. We already have a message going, and it's built by me, so it's professional, it's correct. Um, let's show you some. This was the all basic stuff. Okay, anyone can come and use this to create command, and he have to manually type all the messages and all. It's boring, especially when we have AI. This thing is boring. Now let's try to spice things up. Let's see if uh, I am working and a guy dude message me, hey bro, I want to learn Meteor and WebSockets. Can you guide me around that? So AI can help you with writing this message. You might be busy, on high level, you will suggest read some documentation, build some project, you will get understanding of it. And if you write really small message, the guy might think, okay, he's not serious about it. So let's use AI to solve this problem. Um, we have pre-filled the message, and I can give you a prompt to the AI that you can read docs and make basic projects to get started with it. Ask me if you have any question. This might be a really good message, but it's really basic now, right now. Let's utilize AI to make it a really nice, well-written message that someone will take seriously, and it's not completely like AI generated trash um, that make no sense. You have written the message, AI just make it beautified, it just optimized, it just saved your time. So instead of just saying that the documentations, you now send a really well-written message that shows professionalism in in many ways. But few more, there are limitless number of examples you can do with the AI. And in terms of user perspective, no one wants to be stick to one AI that, let's say Gemini or just OpenAI. They should be able to use different AIs they want to, and different languages, because we want this app to be used by every single person that use Rocket.Chat. So if they do slash quick command, that's the command for this app, they get quick buttons for creating a new reply, list of all replies. They can also search for their replies. They have too many, and they can also configure their preference. Configure their preference. Uh, why this is not opening. Slash quick. So they can configure their language preference. So right now, AI, the app interface is just using English language. They can choose German, Portuguese, Polish, Rus, anyone. We will add more languages, but for now, we added 5 different languages someone can choose from. We, someone can change their way of prompting to AI here itself. Let's say someone wants their reply to be uh, either funny, more professional. They wanted them the reply to be a specific way, like their own chatting style, use more emojis. They can configure anything in here. They can choose their personal AI, or the admin can set up an AI for them, and they can use that using workspace option. but for now I'm using the personal Gemini for this demo. And yeah, anyone can just configure their own AI quickly. And these were all uh, uh, features that are good that will streamline chatting of the user. Let's say someone just randomly DM messaged you something, and you have close to no idea what to just message this guy. And mostly what we all guys do, we just leave that guy on scene, like you don't reply. uh, you don't have to do that. You can just use our AI, just slash QR. And okay, first let's configure back the AI to use Gemini, because I have set up Gemini for this demo, and just type QR. It will read the right last message of someone sent and use AI to suggest you some messages. So he messaged a really generic thing, that how are you doing, just checking out, bro. And using AI, I can generate a nice response that I might just avoided him messaging, because the I didn't know what to say. And AI help you there, like you can generate the response and just say, "Okay, thanks for asking, I'm good, how are you doing?" He might message you anything like, can you uh, give me a second, can you help me with contributing to Rocket.Chat? I'm really sure a lot of you guys are getting this type of messages. Me too. And I don't like to type same type of messages. Yes, I sure I can. So I can use the AI. I can just type QR. It will generate AI generated responses. I can choose anyone I like. I'd like love to help. What's up on your mind? This sounds good to me. So I just clicked on it and it sent the message automatically. So these are just starting point. We have a lot of things to implement. Uh, Demos was till now. Do our future goal is to make it easier to new contributor to contribute to our app, release it to marketplace, get on more feedbacks from users, contributors, people like you. And I want you all to use this and suggest me some features. Plus, I will maintain this project really well. And one more thing I'm not sure I showed. So let's say we have the option to list all the replies. Wait a second. We all have the option to list all the replies, but user, it's a bit cumbersome to type command and then find the message. To shorten that out, we have a command. You can use the QS, and you can search any message here, like let's say greetings, and it will search the list of messages for you and suggest accordingly. That was it. That was the project. That was the cool demo I prepared for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, that was it.